Hey my viewers and subscribers, good afternoon or good morning. Hope you all having a blessed day. I saw this video on TikTok and it really did something to me because this man, he lost his daughter. The roof caved in and hit her in the back of her head, and he was talking about it. And it's so sad. It's so sad, and to make matters worse, when he said that, he also lost his baby mother during Hurricane Melissa. So, this man lost everything.
You can't feel no pain, you can't feel no rain, you can't feel no wet, you can't feel nothing. More know say I have a lot once a lifetime. You can't feel nothing, uncle. Nothing you can't feel, your body numb. You never care what fruit tree drop down or what. Just know say I want lifetime.
He's talking here about his 2-year-old daughter. Melissa took her.
He said, house come now. He said, we call him for the sink up, lick the nail part. I say, nail, I like nail him bend under the sink. So the nail part lick out of head back. And that's pushing me. Yeah. So I think I breathe and pushing me. Then it starts to blood. Then I see, you know what I mean? You see blood up on the top of it.
He lost his home. And he lost his family, which is greater than the home. Because you can gain back a home, but you cannot gain back your family. You can't gain back your child. His child died in his arms. It is sad. It's heart-rending. But the part that hits me the most, how do you tell this man that it's gonna be okay? It will never be okay. It cannot be okay. Because this man lost everything. Everything. Because his family was everything to him. I saw him talking and he broke down. The reporter asked him, how are you coping? And he was speechless. This hit me hard. This did something to me. But I pray God give him the strength, the health to get through this situation, because he will never get past this, but he will get through it. Because the memories of his child and his baby mother lives on inside of him. And even when he gain another family, they cannot be replaced, because there will never be the same it will never be the same child. Even if he gets several children, that child can never be replaced. And I really pray and hope God help him through this, and he will find some peace. I hope he'll find some peace to get through this terrible time, But God is gonna wrap his loving arms around him and carry him through this. May God give you the strength. Subscribe to my channel, my viewers. I'm really praying and hoping that this man get through this, Oh boy.